Is your Zotero citation missing the page number? This is the step most students miss. You only need to click one hidden button, and I'll show you exactly where it is. In your Word document, click in the citation with the missing page number. Open the Zotero menu and click the Add Edit Citation button. You'll see the new Zotero citation box pop up. Now look for this small arrow next to the source. This is the part most students miss. Click that arrow. Now you have options for page number. If you know the page number, you can just type it in and press enter. You should now see the page number appear in your paper right away. If you don't remember the page number, click the button for Show in Library. This Show in Library view allows you to see your notes and double-check which page number it's on. This step is easy to miss, so don't worry if you didn't see it the first time. Almost everyone overlooks it in the new Zotero citation box. Remember these 3 steps. 1. Click in your citation. 2. Open the Zotero menu and choose Edit Citation. And 3. Use that small arrow to add your page number. Now watch this next video to fix any reference citations that look wrong, especially if the title of the source is formatted incorrectly.